Hey guys, before we begin this vlog, I just want to say that I went to the Hornbill Festival on the last day, the closing ceremony. However, I could not record the closing ceremony because I was feeling sick and then I was about to faint also. So we decided to move from there early. So I'm really sorry I could not attend the entire Hornbill Festival. I'm sure my Naga friends, my Naga subscribers will forgive me because I've been continuously traveling, so that took a toll on my body. So yeah, but now I'm good. Just wanted to tell you that could not record the entire show, but still, please enjoy the vlog.
Never to me.
So this is a completely different event from Hornbill. This is the first time in my life I'm seeing a cosplay, even though I watch a lot of animes. Kiniga se Manukhan bhala se kinnai. And my Hornbill Festival last day ISA, and I am expecting a lot of fun and a lot of big events. And of course beach mein main nahi aa paya, you know why, because I was traveling to different districts and this vlog will come later. I'm really sorry. तो Hornbill खत्म हो चुका होगा जब तक आप ये vlog देख रहे होंगे. But anyway, I'm really looking forward to be there, and of course I'm not in my Thar. I'm here with a friend, and friend hi बोलेगा नहीं बोलेगा. But anyway, अभी still कोहिमा आने में time है, तो the roads are pretty boring now since I've traveled back and forth. So once I reach Kohima, तो तभी मैं आपको मिलूँगा. We have reached Kohima, but मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर रुकूंगा because Bani Shiva. This will be the last time I'll see Kohima. But this time I'll come back, but ये last time है since we are going to the Hornbill Festival. Don't worry, मैं जल्दी वापस आई वो. Alright guys, ISA बहुत ये कार पास हमको फाइनली मिल ही गया. I really want to thank Mr. Officer Onan by the way. तो वो लास्ट टाइम मेरे को मिले थे, तो उन्होंने बोला I can help you out with this. So yeah, thank you so much if you're watching this vlog. Alright guys, I'm in Kisama village final. इसके बाद तो next year I'll meet all of you. But you want to say hi? No? अच्छा ठीक है. This time I had to pay for the camera 100 rupees, but last time तो मेरे से किसी ने चार्ज नहीं किया, तो अरे यार मैं इसको ऐसे निकाल के रख सकता था. Alright guys, we are here and some shooting is happening. और जहाँ गन होता है वहाँ पे तो तुम्हारा भाई होता ही होता है. I think something is happening. करेगा ट्राई कर. I can't show my ass. Bro, it's okay. Ass is covered ना, see. So you can wear. ट्राई करेगा? No. एक बार ट्राई करते हैं दोनों. I feel like it's too early. अभी हम लोग थोड़ा जल्दी आ गया, but of course we'll go inside and check out few morungs and also try some delicacies later. So you belong to which tribe?
I'm from Sumi community.
Sumi. Arey, kya baat?
Your girlfriend is Sumi.
Yeah.
Hi,
Dapat
Sophie.
Sumi.
You're also Sumi.
Yeah,
Arey, wow. And
Sumi.
outfits are amazing.
Thank you so much.
All right. So, what inspired you to create such a beautiful outfit, man?
It wasn't. This isn't my outfit. It's from a designer. She's my friend. So
Okay. What's her name?
Muzabalu.
Muzaffarlu.
I'm wearing it for a collab.
Oh, nice, nice. I think this is the best outfit so far, like what I've seen in Hornbill. Very nice. Thank you so much.
She's my stylist for today.
And the feather also. Is that a real Hornbill feather?
It's not
real.
They're
So
real.
real.
Just say it's real.
Okay, it's
Okay. Chalo then. Nice meeting you. Your boy just got a backstage pass, man. But मैं करूँ क्या? कोई है पीछे? किसे मिल लेगा ना? अबे, I have to edit that. It's too crowded today. Okay. Yeah. All right, I'm just looking for Analia's photo booth, and at first I thought it's an AI, but it's actually a booth. So I'm gonna try that. गन का है Alright guys, so this is my second time here, and of course I've seen all the murungs, I've seen everything, the cultural practices, performance. I'm just here because I'm so in love with Naga culture, and of course I'm here at Sumi Morung wearing Sumi shawl. We'll just rest here for a bit, have some food or maybe beverages, and then we will leave. Alright, so now we are heading towards Imagiland, है ना? So I saw Analia's वहाँ पे booth, and then I think I should take a picture there. Check this out, man. Main Street. I never thought I'll be here, man. Usually I sit there somewhere. Let's go to Imagiland. That's what यही बोलते हैं ना? I don't know. Imagiland. All right, let's imagine. All right, bro. This is something new. Way to Mithun. All right, guys. The view. It's very cold also, man. It's very cold. मतलब हवा बहुत ठंडा है. Yeah, there's a lot of things here. Like, have a look. This is like a festival inside a festival. How is it possible? I think we need to buy a ticket. All right, guys. Welcome to Imagiland. Here also we had to pay 100 rupees for a ticket, but it's fine. 100 is nothing. But let's see क्या है यहाँ पे. Oh yeah, this is the one. फोटो लूँ क्या? So this is a completely different event from Hornbill. So I can see a lot of cosplayers and beauty makeup artists. उनका stall है, like very cute stalls. तो still यहाँ पे बैठ के we'll have something, pizza or something ना. I'm sure there'll be an event in the evening. This is something, but I don't know है क्या ये, but looks good. But anyway guys, I think I might have to leave early because I'm not feeling well. But we'll sit here and उसके बाद देखेगा. I wanted to visit Kohima's carnival, but that is also not possible because of my health. Let's see. अगर मैं भी कुछ खाना खा लेता हूँ उसके बाद अच्छा फील होता है तो फिर और घूमेगा. This is the first time in my life I'm seeing a cosplay, even though I watch a lot of animes. Yeah, so feels really good. So what character is that?
It's from MLPP Kagura.
Oh, okay, all right. Your Vince.
Fins.
Fins. Okay, all right. Looks amazing. And the cosplay that we see here is very different from Delhi. This is next level. You guys look amazing, man. Amazing. Thank you so much. All right, bro. We are having momo. अच्छा लग रहा है देख के तुम. क्या खतरनाक cosplays है यार यहाँ पे. भाई cosplays next level. So there's this fun zone. मतलब Imagineland and fun zone. I don't know what's happening. Am I in Hornbill Festival? मैं कहाँ हूँ? Where is this place, yeah? So weird. Check this out. There is a Gundam robot right in front of me. Wow. Yeah, this is very cool. Look.
This is made wood.
Wooden है.
Wood, no?
अरे वाह. That was fun. Imagineland was fun. But now अब घर जाने का टाइम आ गया. Because I'm sick. I'm too health conscious. I'm having a banana. Unlike the guy who's holding the camera. Yes, okay. Very nice. Very sweet. They are so nice. They're gonna give me free juice, free this, free water. They're so nice.
Yes.
Last time I took oranges, na. It was really good, man.
Actually, he got a channel. He want to promote his channel.
I'll send you my QR code later. You can promote. बस पास में गया. हाँ मैं वही. सुना था एक फोटो लेगा क्या?
So there you go, guys. That's what I have recorded, and yes, I could not record properly, could not speak properly because I was feeling really weak, like I said before. But I would really want to thank all the subscribers, all the people who met me and came forward and took a picture with me. It felt so nice. Thank you so much for the love and the support that you guys gave me. I think that was my medicine. I was feeling a little bit better after that. The amount of love Nagaland gives me, not just me, to people, it's amazing. I mean, it's magical, yeah. I still regret not attending the closing ceremony of Hornbill Festival. Now I'll have to wait for next year. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me end this in a very proper manner. So the Hornbill Festival 2025, you were amazing. I would love to be back. Actually, I wanted to go all the days, but I had my trip already planned. So it's okay, next time I will really explore the entire Hornbill Festival, from the cultures to the cuisine, and I will also study each and every tribe once I'm there in Hornbill Festival 2026. That is my promise, and I will take care of my health. But anyway, guys, let's end this vlog. Your love and support is my medicine. That's what keeps me going. Thank you for supporting, and keep on supporting me. I shall give you the best content there is. With that being said, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Till then, this is your boy Mayank signing out. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.